Welcome to DataCatchup YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos. Stages of transforming data in analytics. Data go through transformation stages with the help of tools and human involvement to create a sustainable information for users. Data transformation stages include 1. Data capture. Data capture is a process of data collection where data can be captured electronically with the help of tools such as barcode technology, ICR, internet browser-based systems, PDAs, tablet PCs, and electronic data capture software such as CleanPOS, EDC, CaptureFast, and RepSly. 2. Data provisioning. Data provisioning is the collection of data from different sources to meet business needs. Provisioning data involves monitoring user, customer access rights, and privacy while ensuring enterprise resource security. We can provision data from multiple sources: virtual data in the cloud, reliable manual distribution, and data provision software and systems. 3. Data analysis. Typically, this process involves the understanding of data trends, analyzing and visualizing such data for better understanding. Data analysis comprises of 1. Data discovery, 2. Evaluation, 3. Interpretation, and 4. Presentation. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more empowering data science videos.